Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another Miniverse Make It Mini holiday. This should be the Christmas tree because there's a Christmas tree on the side. Let's take a look. Okay, let's take a look. I love how everything's wrapped very Christmas-y. I feel like I'm unwrapping packages. The first thing I see is a tree topper. That's pretty cute. At least they tied these very loosely, but look how nicely they're wrapped. Adorable. So we have one part of the tree. It's very rubbery and you can bend out the branches. That's too funny. Then we have, looks like the main component of the tree. This is bigger than what I thought it was going to be, so that's pretty cool too. There's my hand for reference. I thought it was going to be shorter. But let's see what else it came with. We have our, I think it says flock adhesion. So that's the snow looking stuff, I guess. Oh my gosh, the ornaments. We have pink, blue, gold. Those are so cute. Then we have the base of the tree. The detail on this one is really good. Oh yeah, I noticed this from the last one. So, to get it out here, we have a brush, probably how we're brushing on the snow, but this is a holly berry and it goes on the top of the ball, and there's also a hole through it. You can see it there. So I think you can put a string and make it into an ornament. That would be cool to make your own custom stuff. Aha. Flocking powder. This one I think is the most intensive one. Here's what they show it will look like. So we're going to put some of the resin in the base and then attach the top of the tree, then add the snow stuff and sprinkle it with the powder, then cure the whole thing, and then you can add the decoration. So I guess if you wanted to, you could add resin and make them stick, but then you can't move around the ornaments. So I will do that. I think I might cure the base first though, just so I have some more stability. Let's see, does it fit? Oh, it fits snugly in there. It does fit pretty snug in there, but yeah, we'll do that. And then kind of feels, reminds me of like a Lego tree in a way. Though I'm not sure how we're supposed to stretch the branches out. I guess you just force them down. They don't have like a metal feel to them where you can bend them. So we'll see. So one thing I noticed as soon as I took this off, very liquidy. It's like water. So I'm going to throw some of that into the base. And I don't think you really need too much. I'm just gonna set that down, I guess. And set that in there, and I'm gonna cure that first. In true fashion, I'm gonna kind of go rogue and not exactly follow how they have it. They show putting everything together and then decorating it. I think it's gonna be hard to hold. So I'm gonna start with the bottom part, then snap it in and do the top part. And I'll cure this bottom part in between. But this is gonna get messy. So we're gonna paint the resin on, and then we have a bag of this stuff that feels like sand. I'm going to, well, that's what I should do. I should put tape at the bottom of here because it's gonna pour out the side, but I'm also kind of lazy. I don't feel like getting up. So let's take a little bit. Stuff is very runny. And we're just going to paint the tree. And I guess the cool thing is you can take all the time doing this, sprinkle it, cure it, and then you can go back in and fill it, the areas that you think don't have enough snow or whatnot. I do like how runny this is. Hoping to have a lot left over because I feel like that'll be useful in other sets and projects. And you could have it a little thick, like dripping on the branch. That would be cute as well. So once I get all of these areas, it's time to make a mess with that snow stuff. I think I have it glossed up enough. I guess I should just set this in the base, so I can't really do that well now. Ooh, that is messy. Oh my gosh, and it comes out really fast. I would probably put a paper plate under here. That's cute though. Definitely looks like snow. I might add a little to this side. It's bare there. And then I'll sprinkle some more and then we'll put it outside to cure. Okay. I'm just gonna try to pick up some that I've already spilt and redump it on there. All right, let's cure it. Okay, part 2. We're going to snap this in and then repeat that whole process with the top part of the tree. I think I just made some of the resin fall, but that's okay. I think this is super cute. Like I said, it's bigger than what I thought it was going to be. A little messy, but I think it's going to look good. When it's all done, you could probably even, if you want it like real snowy, do a second layer. To make it real thick. Okay, sprinkle, sprinkle. That was a lot. But I think that looks pretty cute. There's a lot on there. Here's how it's looking so far. I feel like it looks better in person. Looks maybe a little sketch on camera, but let's go cure this and then we'll decorate it. Okay, she's all snowed up. Let's put the star on top. Cute. Pretty accurate to a real tree topper. Kind of lopsided. Maybe that's my fault because I put resin on there. But let's take a look at the ornaments. There are 4 of each color and they all have different designs on them. And they're pretty sturdy looking. I feel like they didn't look maybe the best on the wrapper and the pictures that I saw. Wonder if they're going to be difficult to get on the branches though. Let's see. I guess that could... I feel like the hook should have been bigger. Okay, maybe not. I think it'll be okay. Depending on how thick you put the resin on, I could see that being an issue. And I could also, yep, that's exactly what I thought was going to happen. The snow is going to fall off. So, if you don't care about being able to remove the ornaments, I would say just fuse them on there if you're gonna keep it like this. Otherwise, all that hard work I just did is going to start falling off. But this is cute though. Ugh, I could just hear all the snow falling down. Oh, that makes me not excited. I still have all this stuff in the background to clean up. But that shouldn't be too bad, hopefully. Let's do some low to the ground where there isn't much of the snow. It's giving, I guess that's kind of offensive. The Charlie Brown Christmas tree is not looking too good. And again, like, I don't even want to touch it because the stuff's falling down. A big old chunk just fell off of it. But I mean, I guess it's pretty accurate to real trees because that's how the fake ones are. We have fake ones and all the branches fall down, and if you have one that's sprayed with the snow, that comes off too. So let me finish decorating this and I'll show you the final product. I knocked this over on accident and ornaments went flying. So it's a very frustrating build. The hooks should be a little bit bigger so you could just set them on there, I feel like. But if you were fusing this all together, it wouldn't be an issue. But yeah, it's gonna be very real life tree-like in the fact that they're gonna fall, stuff's gonna shed from it. It's gonna be very messy. So you might wanna try to glue that on there too. Overall, I don't know. I was excited for this one and now I'm just kind of slightly annoyed. I would give this one a 6 out of 7. I feel like they could have given you the tree and maybe done without the snow and just giving you ornaments maybe, or like tinsel or something else you could have wrapped on it, or little presents you could have made. That would have been cool. So yeah, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Did you get this one? Do you like it? Are you frustrated by it? And what did you do differently? Because you guys always have really good suggestions of how I could have done stuff. So yeah, let me know below in those comments. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.